Have you ever found yourself watching your favorite TV channel, possibly sports, music, entertainment, or maybe running a business of your choice? And guess what happened thereafter? Maybe your generator or your original source of power supply just do BIM. Ha! It has happened. While you are battling with how to go for alternative source of power source from the national grid, since the national grid is always disappointing you, don't worry, you are at the right spot. Or you are thinking of how to become a DJ and you have the software but you don't know the basics of how to start it as it is showing on the background on the screen, don't worry, you are fully on the right spot. Or you want to go into electronic design, maybe rechargeable lamps, automatic source of power supply, or anything electronics, how to understand the basis of the computer, that is how the computer is working, don't worry, I'm also here for you, don't worry. All you need to do is to go to your web browser, search for djdongenius.com, go to the YouTube link that is showing at this point, this very one, select it, it will open in this form. Once it's done, you will see a lot of video content from what you are seeing on the screen. You can clearly see how to translate your turntable skill, how to configure, use microphone. This is a DJ mix. You will continue to scroll. If you go down, you will see a lot of testing my inverter. This is doing of inverter. This is it, buck converter for solar power system and a host of other. Look at it from the screen you are seeing. Or if you can't go get what you are looking for, all you need to do is to come down to this playlist. Then you come down to where you are seeing the playlist, you scroll down, you select your category. I have different playlists. Look at it. Computer programming, how to do audio amplifier. This audio amplifier, making inverter. This is using DJ Don Genius, that is for the mixes. Or if you go to the normal one, somebody will say he has not seen the video on making of an inverter, that is, or the making of the solar power system. For those who are interested in that, let me scroll down so that you see it for yourself. You can see how to size your solar power system at the bottom here. You can clearly see the two videos, the part 1 and the part 2. Or better still, if you want to get the audios of my mixes, you can go to your audiomark.com/DJ Don Genius. Look at it. That is the way it is. There is a hyphen in between the DJ, the Don, and the Genius. Or you can go to hulkshare.com, DJ Don Genius. The spaces where you have the spaces, you have underscore in between. Or you can go to my Facebook handle, that is the web.facebook.com/DJ Don Genius. That is for those that are using the web browser or the normal browsers on your phone or your system. Or if you are using the Facebook app, what you will see is going to be mobile.facebook.com, as you are seeing it here. Let me zoom it for you to see. I'm going to be explaining something very brief now. So I have a lot of content for you there, for you to enjoy for your own benefit. So when you go to my own page here, when you scroll down, while you are scrolling, you will see a lot of content. That is for the Facebook. You see DJ mix. This is turntable, for the turntable, that is use of turntables, and a host of other ones, how to use microphone. Look at it, how to configure, use mic. So most of the videos are already on my Facebook, and as well as the mixes. So for watching this video up to this point, congratulations, good job. I'm going to be giving you a small expo now. Are you having problem uploading Facebook, especially videos on Facebook, and you don't know how to go about it? Or most of the problem you have is when you upload the video, it doesn't go beyond 30 seconds. Yes, you are right here on the right spot. Let me give you a simple guide. When you visit your Facebook page, don't use the Facebook app. Use any web browser, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Phoenix, or Google Chrome. At the URL point, just as you are seeing it from the zoom feature, let me zoom it a bit the more. Or should I increase it? No, let me reduce it small. What you see is mobile.facebook. Look at it. Look at the mobile. I'm going to highlight it. It's going to be mobile.facebook.com/your user address or the username you are using. So your biggest challenge is, all you need to do is, when you see this address, edit it. Remove this mobile. That is the only thing you will change. Remove it and replace it with web. Look at it. Look at it. Let me highlight it. After the http web.facebook.com, then / your username or whatsoever address. This is the only feature that will give you the added advantage of the Creator Studio, so that you can upload videos or content that are more than 30 seconds. So enjoy yourself. At least you have learned something today. So